Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to lock and hide your iPhone apps in iOS 18. Let's have a look. First, unlock your iPhone with Face ID or passcode. Make sure you are using iPhone iOS 18 or later. To lock and hide your iPhone apps in iOS 18, locate the app on your iPhone home screen. Then tap and hold on app icon that you would like to hide. Tap on Require Face ID on the menu that pops up. A confirmation screen will appear. Simply tap Hide and Require Face ID. Are you sure you want to hide and lock this app? Tap Hide App. When you select Hide option, the app will be hidden from your iPhone home screen. Similar way, you can hide other app. First, tap and hold on app icon, then tap Require Face ID. Tap Hide and Require Face ID. Also, you can enter your iPhone passcode to hide that app. That's it. That apps are now hidden. If you would like to see your hidden apps, you have to go to the app library. Simply swipe right to left on your iPhone home screen until you see app library. Now scroll down and find out hidden section. Tap on it and unlock hidden section with Face ID or passcode. Now tap and open the app. If you would like to remove app from hidden folder, first unlock your hidden folder with Face ID, then tap and hold on the app icon that you would like to unhide. Tap Don't Require Face ID. Unlock with your Face ID. Here you will see that app icon removed from hidden folder. Now scroll up and find out the app in app library. Then tap and hold on app icon and tap Add to home screen. That's it. These are the steps to unlock and unhide your iPhone apps in iOS 18. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.